Ordered and I'm here trying to get something to eat in the mezzo. This is a duststorm, like a hurricane, and we try to get something to eat. If the whole tent doesn't blow away, so we just try to do it over here. Right now it's a little bad over here, so hopefully the hot dogs and the hamburgers don't blow away. How you doing? So right now this is how the weather is now. Yeah. So if you take a look outside, going on today. So the whole tent, it's a duststorm together with rain, and hopefully nothing happens to our tent. But damn, the whole frame is gonna come down.